Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Luis and the Thrill made a request in the comments for Prudential. Thank you, Luis and the Thrill, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $38 billion, Prudential is a S&P 500 company within the life insurance industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 3.8%. Earnings growth, 15%. Earnings estimates, 2.7%. Return on equity, 8.26%. Debt to free cash flow, 2.00 years. Share buybacks, yes. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 4.62%. Payout ratio, 33.41%. Growth rate, 10.29%. Growth years, 8 years. That gives Prudential 6 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate this company as a position for your dividend portfolio. Now, let's take a look at the current stock valuation. Based on historical multiples and future estimates from GuruFocus.com, Prudential is fairly valued. At FastGraphs.com, we can see that analysts estimates a total annual return of 9.3% compared to its normal valuation over a 10-year period. What's your thoughts on Prudential in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.